everybody. So I am here with my buddy boys because today we're making something extra special. What are we making, Joe? We're all eating carrots because we are making carrot muffins. Now, these are so fun to make. They're delicious. They're great for snacks. You can put them in the lunchbox. And the best part is that carrots are packed with vitamin A. So we know they're good for what? Joey, what are carrots good for?
Eyes.
Eyes, right. So they're really good for vision, skin. We need to make sure we're getting lots of vitamin A in the diet. Plus, we're getting a lot of fiber. So this is a great sweet treat that you can feel good about. What we're gonna do is we are gonna mix in our wet ingredients first. So we have here, these are shredded carrots, 2 cups of shredded carrots. Put those in there. You wanna help mix, Joe? All right, you can have a couple chocolate chips. So that's the secret ingredient. It's gonna be a little bit of chocolate chips. So we have those there. We're gonna do, it's 1 medium mashed banana. So I did this in a food processor before. This is what you're using instead of a large amount of sugar. So we're putting in the mashed banana with the carrots. Then we are going to add in just 1 egg and a 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt. So this is what we're using instead of adding a lot of butter or a lot of added sugar. So that's gonna go in. We're gonna mix it all together. And we're adding in just 1 tablespoon of oil. And you can use any oil you want. And this one I'm using the coconut oil just because it has a higher smoke point, but you can use an olive oil or canola as well. You wanna mix that up? And we're gonna start to mix that up. Mix up our liquid ingredients there. And as Joey's doing that, then we're gonna put together the dry ingredients with it. So we're gonna
No, not yet.
Why can't we do it yet?
Because I like the sugar and the chocolate.
All right, hold on. So we're gonna put in the vanilla. Smell. Vanilla. Then we have our baking powder.
Not yet.
Baking soda.
Don't do that yet.
All right, how about you do the cinnamon? We got some cinnamon too. It gives it a little bit of a flavor. Pour it in there, come on, don't eat it. And then what we're gonna mix in is 1.5 cups of any kind of whole grain flour. For today's, we're using whole wheat flour. You could use oat bran flour. You could use semolina flour.
Mommy, don't do those two.
Okay.
Don't do it.
That's the sugar, I'll let you do that part. So I'm gonna mix this up. We're making a delicious batter. Please stop eating the sugar, Joey. So we're gonna put that in, and you can see here it's a delicious looking batter. You're just gonna fill up the muffin trays. It makes about 16 muffins, depending on how big you wanna make them. And you cook them for about 12 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees. And then you have a delicious carrot muffin recipe that you can enjoy as a dessert or with meals. All right, so the sugar, Joey, put that in now. This is just a 1/4 cup. If you're using flavored Greek yogurt, you don't even need any sugar. But otherwise, we can put this in just a 1/4 cup. Dump it in there, Joe. Perfect. All right. And then
I want
last part.
sugar in here.
No more sugar. Put that in.
No.
Chocolate chips. All right. So I'm gonna work with Joey to put the chocolate chips in here. We're gonna get these in the oven, and then we will show you what they come out at the end. All right. Let's wave our ears goodbye.
Bye bye.
Bye.